Welcome guys back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to knit playful ears for hats, hoods or rompers with hoods. These ears are designed to add a cute whimsical touch to your project, perfect for children garments or anyone who wants a fun accessory. For this tutorial I'm using medium weight yarn and 4.5 millimeters knitting needles. The yarn is, as I said, medium Super Saver from Red Heart. You will also need the yarn needle or tapestry needle. So let's get started. First of all, at the end of cast on, you will need to have a tail at least 20 centimeters. So leave a little bit more now and cast on 12 stitches. It can be another number. Everything depends on the ear size and the yarn that you are using. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. You see, I have a tail. I do not slip the first stitch and start knitting it right away, and you will see why. And knit all other stitches till the end. And knit the last stitch. Turn and repeat the first row. Bring the working yarn in back this way and knit the first stitch, then knit all other stitches till the end. And knitting the first stitch instead of slipping it will give us the bump like this, and we will use these bumps later on for sewing the ear. Great, turn. Again, bring the working yarn in back and knit. And you see we formed the second bump. So easy. Go on knitting in garter stitch and knit the last stitch as well. And in this way you go on knitting. So how to understand the width and the length? The width, my width is 7.5 centimeters. You divide it by 3 and get 2.5. The length will be 7.5, the width, plus 2.5. So the length will be 10 centimeters. Go on knitting. Here I am, that's what I have. If we measure, you remember, we need to knit 10 centimeters and it is exactly 10 centimeters. Before you start binding off, your working yarn has to be on the same side as the tail. So knit one, knit the second one and slip the first stitch over the second one. Knit one, slip over, knit one, slip over, knit one, slip over, knit one, slip over, and so on. Knit one and slip over. Again, cut the yarn, leaving at least 20 centimeters tails or more. Pull the tail through the last stitch. Now fold the piece in half, and we are going to sew. So we have one tail on one side and another tail on another side now. So we don't need to join new yarn. And as I told you, we will work through these bumps. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and on the other side as well, this one, this one, this one, and so on. First of all, okay, here is the first bump. Then on the other side. Here and here. Here and here. Please go on joining two edges. And the last bump here in the center. Okay, one side is ready. You can pull a little bit and pull the tail through the corner here to the wrong side. Now repeat for the second side. The first bump on this side. And in the same way, go on joining. Great. Pull a little bit, just a little bit, and pull the tail through the center. So that's it. Now what you're doing, turn this way and shape the ear. Here it is. So the seam will be in the center, in front and in back. And to make the ears even more secure, we will tie those two ends together inside the ear. Just make a knot. And you may use those tails to sew ears as well. That's it, my second ear is ready. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please tell me in the comment how you're going to use these ears. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.